Hi foodies, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this delicious chicken and cashew stir fry, or you can even call this chicken and cashew sauce, whatever you want to call it. But the main thing is that this is so good. It tastes so nice. You can pair it with anything you want. You can pair this with rice, noodles, or you can even have it on its own. Anyway, with no further ado, let's get started. First, toast your cashew nuts until they are lightly golden. This will help to bring out the lovely nutty flavor that cashew has. And once that's done, set them aside. Now heat some butter in a pan and saute some chopped onions and garlic until it's fragrant. Then add in your marinated chicken strips. I've already marinated my chicken strips here. I used some mixed herbs, paprika, chicken seasoning, and some salt. But you can feel free to use your favorite seasoning. Go on to sear them until they are golden brown and cook through. While the chicken is cooking, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine grated garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and honey. Give everything a good mix and set it aside. Next, in another pan, melt a little butter and saute your vegetables. I'm going to be using carrots, red and green bell peppers, and chunky onions. I only cook them for about a minute because I want them to stay nice and crunchy. I don't want it to be soft at this point. And once that's done, set them aside. Now pour the prepared sauce over the cooked chicken. Add some water and let it come to a gentle simmer. To thicken the sauce, mix a little cornflour. You can use thickener of your choice here. You can use any flour you want. Mix your thickener with some water and then stir it into the pan. You can be adding this gradually. Once you get the preferred thickness that you want for your sauce, you can let go. So add that little by little. Now you can also check for seasoning here. I'm going to be adding some pepper as well. And now allow the sauce to cook until it thickens. You don't want it to be too thick though, just slightly thickened. Now once the sauce is ready, add the stir-fried vegetables back into the pan, followed by the toasted cashew nuts. Give everything a good mix so that the vegetables and cashews are coated in that lovely sauce. Let it cook together for another minute and then turn off the heat. And that's it. Your chicken and cashew stir fry is ready. Now you can serve this with anything, as I said earlier, but I'm going to be serving this with rice. So go on to dish that out. And then garnish it with some freshly chopped chives. You can use green onions as well. I'm going to be adding some sesame seeds for that perfect touch. I want it to be lovely. I want it to be sparkling. So you just want to give it some finishing touches. And look at that. Look at how colorful, fresh, and so lovely this looks. It looks so appetizing. For those nights that might be busy, for those nights you don't have time to cook so much, this is an easy meal that you can make. You can serve everyone. You can use this to serve your family and friends, and they will thank you because it tastes so good. It tastes so lovely. I made this for the house and everyone loved it. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you're gonna try it out as well. If you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another recipe from me. I'll see you in my next video. Do take care. Bye.
Darling baby.
You're welcome.